Greetings to all you viewers and subscribers. Do give thanks for passing through. Here comes another review. Don't forget to share, like, subscribe and click the notification bell. Please and thanks. Your support is highly appreciated.
Yes, Father God, do give thanks to thy friends and friends. The week has begun. Bring the week as our school and when the time I'm Lion Foot. Well, I'm a DJ where you're dead already. There, man, I come out with me there. You don't know, I get ready to bring them out of our school, is it? Comb, Rasta no use comb. Your Lion Foot, nobody out there at the bumbo clock, man, in there. That's a come for virgin. DJ go easy, run it off with the DJ, man. You're not a joke thinking, bumbo clock. The DJ, how was Gambia? Look like you enjoy Africa, you know, because I see a shit long the show, you know. That's better. You make me all sound like Mr. Pepper. Progressive talk, man, yeah, man. Gambia was great. So DJ, you see the man who mash up him Jaguar, same board. See it, you know. Straight away, I start play a stunt song in the scheme. Whole day. No, if you say towards that. Where that for? Where that for? Why you use iron and mash up your Jaguar? Where that for? Where that for? You are the one about that, no call for. Where that for? What? Where that for? If you feel bored, go fuck your girl, sir. Where that for? Where that for? Is a hype you all look, go easy, Rasta. DJ, one thing I like with you, you're quick, you know. You just deal that. You will like put time and catch up on me, but I'm short about coming, see? Make sure you come back in the DJ, because you have to tell me when Naga they find you cool and knock on me, because I say, go and Gambia for 2 weeks and you speak them language to blood clot. Move forward, yeah. Well, Lion Foot, what you want? Style, man, boy, Rasta no use school. Let's say, love, you know Lion Foot. If you've enjoyed this video and can relate, please like, comment and share and subscribe and click the bell for more. For sure. Out. A Lion Foot, you know.